50s. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you 3 great exercises to really help reduce those bat wings. We're going to be doing these standing up, and this is using no weights. So first of all, I'm just going to take my arms and just warm them up slightly. So literally almost hugging yourself, and just a light, easy warm up. Now, I like to make sure while I'm doing this that my feet are nice and splayed out with the toes, so we've got lots of surface area, so we're not, we've got good balance, and also that the core is engaged. So actually, if you can, place your hand onto your belly and just very gently breathe in for 3 and hold that position to really engage your core. And also making sure that your back is nice and straight. So I like to pretend almost that there's an imaginary piece of string holding you up so you're nice and straight. Right, so once we've done that, the first exercise we're going to do is taking our hands almost into a prayer position, and we're just going to press for 5 seconds from the tips of the fingers all the way to the palms, and then release. Let's do this 8 times. 2, and you should feel a contraction in your arms and those muscles. 3, 4, again holding. 5, 6, and again. And the last one, and just shake it out. Right, the second exercise, we're going to place our palms facing forward, and then we're going to push our arms back and pulse. And we'll do this 8 times, and we'll pulse for 8 times. So back nice and straight, feet nice and firm to the ground, core engaged, and pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Release. And release. And let's do this another 4 times. And you should feel your triceps at this point. And 2 more times. And on the last one, we're just going to hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and shake it out. Right, so let's do the other tricep, almost to help get rid of those bingo wings exercise. So I'm just going to show you from the side. I'm just going to stagger my feet, gently push myself forward, nice flat back, and if you like for a bit more, you can actually clench, almost put your hands into a fist, and we're just gently going to press and come up. Let's do this 8 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and come down. And then on the other side, again, slightly staggered on the feet, coming forward, back nice and straight, hands in almost a fist for a bit more tension. And let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and come down and just shake it out. Right, let's go through that again. So from our starting position, our prayer, and core engaged, back nice and straight, gentle press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, come up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, come up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do this another 3 times. 1. I always seem to lose count. 2, and you should feel your arms here working, your biceps, and maybe a little bit on the tricep. And again, shake it out. Palms facing forward, and let's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do this another 6 times. 5, 4. Again, making sure that your core is engaged. 2 and 1. And hold for a few seconds and relax and just shake it out. So again, we're now going to really work on that tricep area. So leaning forward with staggered feet, hands almost in a fist if you like, coming forward, back nice and straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come down. Let's just do this 3 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Release. And the last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's just hold this for 5 seconds. 4, 5, and release. And obviously on the other arm. Staggered, hands in a fist, bending forward, nice and straight back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Release. And again, you should feel your triceps working here. And release. And last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. And hold for 5. And release. And again, just take your arms and just gently work it all out. Now obviously if you want to do more reps, that's fine too, and you can also build up. Start off slow with just a few reps and then just build up more and more. And release and shake. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please consider subscribing if you're not already subscribed, and a thumbs up and comment down below.